Hello, everyone. This is Steve from True Market Finance. Um, just gonna move this tool out of the way for a second, guys. Over the other side. So this stock of the day today is Equinix Corporation, which produces natural gas, propane, butane, and more natural gas, which we all know is pretty popular in Europe, pretty popular here, and so I want to go over this chart with you guys. As you can see, we have a buy signal here. We have a green line and blue line here. We are in an uptrend on the weekly chart. We have broken through the triangle here, which is right here. We've broken through here. So we've confirmed this trend up. So if it had turned around, let me take that out. So if it had taken out this and went this way, we would have broke this uptrend that we had going on, but it didn't. It broke through here, and we're going to go higher. So with that, that's why I picked this for our stock chart of the day, guys, because look at all these candlesticks too. These ones here, these ones, this one. Look at all these have wicks at the top, which is a good trend. It's a good one to flow. Something I have done, guys, in the past is if I just want to break into this position, like when it broke out here, we got a little doji here and an inside candle. Let me draw this in next. Let's draw this a little better. This little guy right here is a doji inside candle, which is usually a good indication that's going up. Now, if that had been, I could also take it lower. So that's why a lot of times, guys, when you're putting in a position, that's why we put like I've always preached to you guys. If we saw that, then we could put in a stop limit up here and a stop here. You're only losing if it turns on you and goes down here. Once it gets in and it goes down, you're going to lose like a small amount here. So that's why we keep her. But also, if it doesn't head this way, it won't even trigger this buy, and then it'll close out at the end of the day, and we move on to the next stock. Or if you saw this next candlestick look beautiful like this, you could done it up here and then continued on. So what we can do with this stock, we can come back out of here and go into our daily chart. And that shows us here again in the daily chart. Now we've got this confirmation of a buy. It didn't start till here, which would have put us in around this candlestick here, but we're up here, which is all right. I think this is going to go up a lot more, as we saw in the weekly chart. That's why we like the weekly chart, because it'll give a confirmation of the trend of the stock, and then we can pick, like the weekly chart, you can take out these chunks here, and get these little spots. Or you be in a long term like we had in the weekly chart. Like we had here. When we got in here and we bought, then we just put their stop here, then stop there, then move their stop up to here, and then once this broke here, then we'd move our stop up to here, and then we'll wait for another pullback up in here somewhere, or this will maybe come down and head back up, or we go up a little further and then can pull back. Then we just keep moving that stop. So that's what I like about weekly. Sometimes you can just stay in a longer position and just let it flow. And sometimes this chart helps too with the, you can see here we're gapped, here gapped, and just went flat. So then that helps with our confirmation and stuff. But then we here we can go into this daily chart. So now what we can do is go change this to I like to do the bar charts. We'll move this right down to the day, guys, so you can see what I'm doing. Now, messed up my chart, guys. So what we would do is go up here and put a stop limit in here, and our then we just want to go a little below the stop of the day, and I could even go to the bottom of that sometimes, but we definitely want to put a stop in there. And tomorrow, if this goes up tomorrow and breaks above this high up here, what happened here? I don't know what happened there, guys. Let's do this over again. We got our stop up here. Oops. Stop limit here. And just below this, below the close of the previous day, we put our stop. And if this breaks out here tomorrow, it'll trigger our stop limit, and then it'll just confirms our buy and confirms the direction, confirms the buy. If it doesn't, and for some reason it turns and goes down here, this stop limit won't get triggered. But that's what I like to do, guys. Just make sure you have you can go a little higher here. You can go up to here to your stop limit, and that way it confirms a little bit more. And then just below your stop, and then put your stop in here, and then our direction is going up. So that's my game plan, guys. That's what I think is going to happen. Now, I am not don't have any crystal ball, so with that, you just never know. That's why I like a lot of times guys putting in the stop limit order and the stop in nice tight behind, because we don't know what's going to happen. Nobody really does. We can look at our chart and read it, and it tells you a certain pattern, and it looks like it confirms it. It gives you all kinds of signals here of it going up, but you just never know. I don't know what happened to my other piece on the bottom of this, but Oh well. it's missing, guys. Oh, there it is. So yeah, it gives us a nice little go. Now we can move this out here to put in 1 month chart even. And even our month. Look at that, guys. Kind of glad I did that. Because even in our monthly chart, we've got a new buy here. Oop. We got a new buy here. And then it's triggered, gone green here. So now and then we're moving up here in this chart. And then we're whole candlesticks, which of these got both wicks on the top, which in Haganachi, that's what you want. You want your wicks on the top and no wicks on the bottom. These are like little dojis, these guys in here. And they're kind of momentum builders, and then it'll jaunt up for us. So with that, everything is looking good. Our monthly chart looks good. Our weekly chart showing an uptrend. Our daily chart's showing an uptrend. And that's why I picked this stock, guys, because it's looking really, really, really good. So with that, I'm gonna go, and happy trading, guys, and good luck in if you pick the stock. And I'm gonna be adding it to my portfolio as well. So happy trading and good luck, and make lots of money. And like I always preach with you guys, pay off your debt, put the money that you're paying in interest into the market. And before I go, also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button at the bottom, and a like. And with that, you can see more when I put these daily charts of the day up, and give you some good ideas for the market. Anyway, guys, have a good night, and happy trading. Bye.